guys, so I'm back over at the garage. We're making the exhaust at the minute. You can probably hear the engine in the background. And excuse my face, it seems to have exploded. Yeah, we're just getting on, making crossover pipe and stuff. Friends in there, working away. So I've stepped out to do the important things. Once we got down to this bit and we start welding it up, I will take you along and we can have a look. Here we are then, the oil's in. All loaded up. Line 2050, and you've seen our down pods before, but didn't film too much of this because it was all done underneath the car and it was quite difficult with the welder, plus the garage was a state. I mean, it's still not great, but we're getting there. But if you can see, we are 2-into-1 into a stainless system, single box at the back, single exit. Swept pane there, 2 sleeve joints, and joined up. So oil's in, the wiring's neatened up. Get yourself up. So now, yeah, we just run all the wiring for the cooling fan and neaten everything up for the ignition coil, breaker, and the fan switch. So, a few moments, we're going to try the inaugural start of the V8 in the MG. Let's see how we get on. Yeah. Give it a quick squirt. And again. Yeah, they're both spraying.
Marks gets it.
Yeah, Rev. Go again, not so much of a rev. Pick her up. Rev her up. That's fucking brilliant. Kill it there, man.
It's alive.
It's fairly quiet.
Is it?
Reasonably, yeah. That was a nice flame as well.
Is that good?
I think we're happy with that. Hi guys, this is just a finisher to this video. Terribly sorry. GoPro batteries are a bloody nightmare and it just died out on us while we were trying to do a time lapse of the last few bits, but we did get the car moving. Like a foot forwards, probably 2 foot backwards, but it's moved under its own steam, so we know the clutch is working and we have all 5 gears, so a little bit of a spoiler there. Don't look too far down here because you're not supposed to see what's on the bike. Yeah, so that was very successful. We're really pleased. Sorry there wasn't a lot more footage of actually putting the exhaust together and building that, but it was just putting bits of pipe and gluing them. Yeah, but there you go. But yeah, thank you for watching guys, really appreciate it. The MG is coming together so fast. It's taken 2 years of hard graft and we weren't filming at the time when we were building it, but we're going to film as much as we can of getting it back together, and we're going to film as much as we can when we're out on the road with it. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying it. If you are, give it a thumbs up, click subscribe if you haven't done so, the bell icon, that will tell you about new content. Really chuffed, we have just gone over 250 subscribers and you cannot believe what that means. You know, I do this for my own enjoyment, but I share it for your enjoyment, and to know that you guys are really into what we're doing here, it means a lot. So thank you very much for that, and much more to come. I've got a little bit of a sneak peek. Got a bit of a lead on a Mark 1 Escort that needs a little bit of love, wiring type stuff, so maybe we'll get some content on that, and the scrambler's coming together nicely. Yeah, it's going to be a fun summer, I think. After the way last year was, this channel's going to explore the world as much as we can. By the world, I mean the UK. Maybe a little bit of Europe if we're allowed. But yeah, thank you for sticking with me, guys. Really appreciate the support, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.